Well, good morning. We're back up to my left, into my workbench up here. This is a great space. In the winter, it's warm. I can work on my mandolins while I'm here. There, now, I'll put these through here. Okay, that's right. Now I'll put this tuner over here, and hey, a jumper. Come on, get in there. Now we just got to put these screws in. Anyways. Okay, last one. That was fast. Okay, next what we gotta do, we gotta put the strings on. Okay, next we're putting on the tailpiece. Screwdriver's too big. Now, I left all the strings on here. That's why the tape is there. It's holding it all together. So now all I gotta do is put the strings in the tuners and we're all set. Okay, I'll shut this off for now. Okay, well, I'm just tightening up the last string. Didn't want to bore you with watching me put strings on a mandolin. 8 strings. Oh, this sounds beautiful. Okay, now all I gotta do is tune it. Here's my tuners. I got them to look that way. I put them in a tub, a small tub, and that was sitting inside a large tub that had muriatic acid. And just the fumes of it ages those tuners to match the rest of this. It's an old mandolin that I bought for, I think, $20, and it was, the top had all collapsed, so I had to take the back off and put new braces in it, and I put it back together. I had it down in Florida in the hot sun, and I heard pop. The back popped off. So anyways, this time I opened it up again. You've probably seen the other videos, and I made new purfling to go around here. a bigger one. And I glued it all down good and refinished it all. And now it is almost ready to play. All I have to do is tune it and we can play something. Okay, well, I'm going to go downstairs where my tuners are. Well, we got all the strings on. Now, I've tuned most of it. Still out of tune. All right, well, I'm going to monkey around with this. And that is it for repairing this guitar, this mandolin, I mean. So it's the end of the episode. Next, we're building a brand new mandolin. Okay, nice talking to you. Bye.